We're going to use this ground lamb to cook kebab or kebab or kofta or kefta. It's Middle East cuisine, but we're going to do it in American dinner kitchen for American dinner table. And we're going to use the ground beef for the mixture. Put the ground lamb into the ground beef. And then put them into a bowl so we can mix them easily. I put ground powder onion, but you can use a regular onion. Then I put other spices like cumin, coriander, paprika, garlic, and then I also put cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg in it for more taste. I also put ginger in it. Some people put sumac for the original spices, but I don't have sumac, so that's it with salt. Then mix them really well together. After that, put it aside in the fridge. Now, let's prepare the vegetables to go with it. I use zucchini, so wash the zucchini real good. I also use asparagus beside the zucchini. Wash the asparagus too, real good. Okay, let's put them in a plate. We're gonna cut the zucchini into two for the plating purpose. Just cut the stem close to the roots on the asparagus. There you are. All the vegetable side dishes are on the plate now. Okay, let's shape the kebab now. Just make it into long shape. We're not gonna use the skewer because I don't have the skewer for the kebab. So just make it long shape. I only need 4 kebab for this purpose. So I'm just gonna make 4 of them. But of course, you can make as many as you want. There they are, guys. 4 kebabs are on the plate already. We just need to cook them. But let's cook the rice first. We're going to make yellow rice. We only need 1 cup of rice and 1.5 cup of water. And we're using turmeric to make the rice yellow color for the plating purpose. I don't want to put any more spices in it because the kebab has already too many spices on it. Brush some oils on the griddle to cook the kebab and the asparagus and the zucchini. Straighten the kebab a little bit. Then make some space for the asparagus and zucchini. I don't want to cook the asparagus too long because I don't want it to get too soft. A little bit crispy is good, not just for the plating, for the decorations, but also it's healthy. And then flip the kebab meat over. Another asparagus is ready. Okay, all of the asparagus is ready now. Let's flip all of the zucchinis. flip the other kebab meat. Now everything is cooked. Turn off the griddle. The yellow rice cooked nicely. Let's put the rice into a bowl to make a shape. Okay, let's do the plating, guys. Of course, this is a cuisine art, so it has to be artistic, right? The shape of the rice turns out nice, and then put the zucchini on the top. Then put the kebab meat on top of the zucchinis. Then arrange the asparagus. Put raspberries on the top. Then arrange some parsley in the bottom. Arrange some raspberries in the bottom part too, and on top of the rice, please. Now arrange some chive in the bottom of the rice. Look, guys, it's nice now. Hooray! What a nice design, huh? It looks like a flower bouquet on a vase. It's pleasing to the eyes and it's delicious to the appetite. Bon appetit!